Me a bad boy. I mean, I'm bad Indian, man. I me run the place, man. I will decide who fi dead and who fi live, man. As pretty as you see me, man, I will decide anything they are true. Enough thing me not tell you about, man. So I don't want some people come play with me thing and feel something a joke thinking about, man. I want to take a suck your mother back, boy. You know, man, who you. Me have rifle with tall and me backy boy. When me spend 3 points too much feed. Me have rifle with tall and me.
Oh man.
With drum belly pan it. Me stop fire clip a drum belly. God kill me for lie me I tell. And that's why I make every police and soldier come and listen every time. You hear that bad man? And we do it for children if you don't want to hear. And we do it. You hear that? Alright. Good night my peeps. This is Rowan Beckford. The youth we company internet and I talk about be a badness and sitting is a youth. Me depend me TikTok, me a TikTok youth, a clown thing me deal with. And just through me depend me life. And me say a girl platform if you don't see me name Lord God. And just through him one company and I tell me say he want to fuck me look like girl and then thing there. And me I tell him say me no deal with them thing there. You know what I talk though? Tell me say upon roadside you video record your thing. We can give you a drive by a tall rifle and a big matic. So me I say me not too scared and fear that and then nothing cause a clothing. Me feel say a toast him a toast. So me I tell him the truth me people. Me tell him say a me name bad Indian. You hear that? A tall rifle, big matic pan belly. And we respond for everything. In which we not do nothing like that bad man. We just they are not easy cause if we did a bad people, we will not put we face pan camera and then thing them my out. I just look where I look at cloud. I'm sorry if me make the JDF or JCF, if me make you feel offensive, I'm so sorry, please I'm asking you. I mean, I the type of youth.
Tell the people I'm say you're a big pussy hole. Tell them that.
Me a big pussy hole. And I shouldn't do that.